Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Director of Economics at the Caribbean Development Bank, CDB, Dr. Justin Ram, says blockchain innovation could be the key to a regional payment system. Dr. Ram was speaking during an interview with the Business Day at the CDB's 48th Annual General Meeting in Grenada recently.
Right now, if you were to do trade in the Caribbean, so let's say you're doing trade between Trinidad and Jamaica, for example, most of those payments that you do might have to go through the U.S. banking system. Once it goes through the U.S. banking system, then there are fees associated with that, right? So there are transaction costs. If we were to develop some sort of regional payment system that utilizes, let's say, the blockchain, so digital, which is a platform that can perhaps bring down the cost of transferring resources, I think that could potentially provide the Caribbean with quite a dividend. You're immediately reducing some of the transaction costs associated with trade, and it means that the traders can keep more of the money in their pockets.
Just last month, Jamaica's central bank issued an advisory which cautioned Jamaicans against conducting transactions using cryptocurrencies. The Bank of Jamaica suggested that the blockchain market is still too risky. The advisory led to the eventual closure of many cryptocurrency-based companies on the island. Dr. Ram now says that the position taken by the Bank of Jamaica could have been more accommodative.
Before actually examining the full potential of what the blockchain can do, we might actually then be stifling innovation. And I think that's what we have to be very, very careful that we don't do. Because there's a lot of creative people in the region, as you know, who can do a lot of innovative things. So here is where we have been advocating for what's called a regulatory sandbox. Here it is, the central bank or the monetary authority can create an environment for people who are quite good in this type of technology to say, come to my country and try to develop your product.
West Texas Intermediate WTI crude settled lower today. Oil for delivery in July fell by $1.06 to settle at $64.75 a barrel. That marked a third straight session decline and the lowest finish for a front-month contract since April 9. The JSE main index lost 121 points to close at almost 300,000 points. The junior index gained 61 points. Among the winners today were General Accident Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Paramount Trading, Dolphin Cove, Express Catering, Honeybun, and Knutsford Express Services. On the losing side were Epley, CAC 2000, Jetcon Corporation, Proven Investments, Radio Jamaica, Seprod, Stationery and Office Supplies, Caribbean Producers, and Kingston Wharves. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.05. The Canadian dollar went for $99.53. The pound sterling closed at $171.44, while the euro sold for $149.44. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.